Brace yourselves, ladies and gentlemen, because joining us right now are the three musketeers from Jacqueline's family. We have Vincent, Victor, and Satyarajan. Wonderful meeting all three of you.
Yeah, hi.
Are you guys excited about the wedding? Though it's a little unfortunate that it's a Bandh day, Karnataka Bandh, nothing happening on the roads, nowhere, no attraction whatsoever.
Yeah, we are excited for our family. Still, we are a little worried too.
Okay. Now, you guys were planning for this wedding a good 2.5 months back. I know Ashwin very well. And never would you have expected that, the wedding day will actually turn out to be Karnataka Bandh.
Sure, we never dreamt of this and we never prepared for this as such.
Right. Any challenges that you're facing? Any last minute shopping that you need to do and things that you need to pick up but they are not available because all the shops are shut?
Yeah, small purchases could not happen, and some beauty things for my sis we could not get it in time. Like flour and all, we have to buy on this day.
Right.
Everything is dried, and we are feeling little let off.
So, what do you plan to do? Do you plan to buy artificial flowers for Jacqueline?
Yeah, we have somehow tried to arrange a few, but the quantity is very low as such. It's a few flowers and
Not
lot
many of
artificial, Yeah, artificial things are added on to it as such.
Right. How unfortunate is that Bengaluru is known to be the flower city and they have got no flowers whatsoever on the most important day of their lives. Having said that, I think there's a different way of looking at it. Nevertheless, as long as she gets Ashwin, I don't think she needs any more flowers in her life because, mind you, he's a wonderful guy. Anyway, Vincent uncle, are you excited about the wedding?
Yeah, I like it because this all accepted this thing, marriage and all that. We already fixed thing. So at last moment, this thing has happened.
Okay.
So and some people are waiting there and outside and thing. But even though when marriage is fixed,
It has to happen.
Happen.
Tell me one thing, did you expect a few relatives and all coming in from Tamil Nadu and once they land over here, there's no taxi, there's no auto, how do they come to the marriage hall or the church?
Yeah, this is unexpected things happen. But they say any people are ready to come. They already some people left over there, and they are reaching anytime. We are expecting them, and this marriage should go on.
It should happen properly and peacefully.
Yeah.
All right, fair enough. Satyarajan, what exactly is your relation with Jacqueline?
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law.
Yeah.
You happen to be her sister's husband.
Yeah.
Okay. You must be very, very excited because as they say that Sali is very close to you. That means your sister-in-law is extremely close to the brother-in-law. So you must be very excited, at the same time a little sad. Now that the attention will not come towards you, it will go towards Ashwin. Yeah?
He's a little shy.
He's a little shy.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you excited about the wedding irrespective of the bun?
Yes, he's a little shy. Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
I'm not shy,
Victor will be Satyarajan's mouthpiece. Thank you so much, all three of you. What we'll do is we'll go inside and we'll figure out what kind of preparations are underway as far as Jacqueline is concerned. Because, mind you, she's a gorgeous girl and she is getting married for the most important, not getting married actually, she's getting ready for the most important day of her life. So let's find out what the preparations are like.